Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you how to actually make your headset default device, and which means that your computer is focused on your headset so that you can hear audio in the headset. Your headset is not really working with the audio, or maybe your mic is not picking up any audio. Maybe this might help. In this case, I'm trying to help a friend of mine. So here, if you can see the speaker icon or logo, this is where I can find out where to switch the settings to make your headset or your speakers your main audio. If you can't find this, then it probably might be in the arrows right here. Show hidden icons, it might be right there. Just right click on this, go to sounds, and then this little window should pop up. One more thing I forgot to mention. If you can't find the sound button in the hidden icons, if it doesn't appear here or here, just go type here to search and type sound. It should say something with control panel in there. You'll see this same window right here. So we got 4 tabs right here. We got playback, we got recording, sounds, and communications. Now I'm gonna go for playback right now. In playback, it says here, select the playback device below to modify settings. Now it's not like you're gonna modify any settings. The only setting you're gonna modify is which device should the audio focus on. So as you can see here, this is already checked marked because I set it to default. This is my headset. If you want to hear stuff from like a monitor or a different type of speaker, that type of device, I want to know the name of these devices. You can set it to default so I can hear audio from there. But since I'm using the headset for now, I'm just gonna switch it to my headset. If you can see the name, you set it to default. Just in case, recording. If you want to use a specific mic, you just select the mic and set it to default. Select the specific mic you want. Just notice the name right here. If that wasn't enough, I have Discord right here. So I'm just gonna go to user settings. We're gonna go to voice and video. And then you can see this input device and output device. And here you can select your specific devices in this case. In my case, the input device is the microphone. There's not always a name for these devices, okay? On Discord if it doesn't show. We got the output device, which is the audio that's gonna be heard by you. The audio that comes to you is basically the output device. The audio that you basically speak is your microphone. You can check your mic, having a mic test here. Hello? See? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it really helped, leave a like and subscribe for more videos if you want to see. I upload Minecraft videos into my channel. Bye.